In the grand tapestry of life, our moments are not mere expenditures of time. Rather, they represent an investment of our very existence. Surrounding ourselves with individuals who value and positively contribute to our lives, while reciprocating the same, is akin to weaving bridges that connect the islands of individual universes in this vast journey called life. Picture life as a voyage, where each person is an island, and friendships are the bridges that link these isolated universes. The absence of friendships is not merely a lack of companionship, but often stems from a deeper issue, a deficiency of trust that erects invisible barriers between us. This lack of trust has the power to profoundly influence the quality of our relationships and, consequently, shape our journey through life. It's imperative to underscore that having a smaller social circle isn't inherently problematic. Some individuals prefer the tranquility of a few waves in their personal ocean. However, when loneliness morphs into an uncomfortable shadow, causing more storms than tranquility, it's time to hoist the sails in search of change. Quantity, in this context, doesn't necessarily equate to quality. Thus, the pursuit of genuine and quality connections becomes the cornerstone of building resilience and confidence. In this video, we delve into various aspects related to the absence of friendship. Our aim is to help you comprehend the intricacies of the problem and, if you wish, provide practical solutions. Together, we explore how distrust intertwines with the lack of friendships and, most importantly, discover Stoic paths that lead to the construction of solid bridges toward more authentic and meaningful relationships. Shyness, a Stoic journey of self-discovery and growth. For those naturally inclined towards timidity, forging and sustaining friendships may pose a distinct challenge. However, Stoic philosophy offers a unique and powerful approach to surmounting these obstacles, transforming shyness into a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. The first Stoic lesson in overcoming shyness revolves around self-acceptance. Understanding that some individuals are naturally shy or introverted is crucial in embracing one's own nature. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius teach us that accepting who we are is the starting point for any transformation. Embracing shyness as a momentary part of the journey allows one to tread the path of self-awareness. Stoicism emphasizes the potency of the present, urging us to focus on what is within our grasp, instead of being consumed by anxiety about the future or regrets from the past. Acting in the present moment means not allowing shyness to imprison us in negative thoughts about what may or may not happen. By freeing ourselves from expectations and projections, we find the liberty to act in accordance with our principles, unbridled by fear. Shyness often roots itself in the fear of others' judgment. Stoics, like Seneca, highlight the importance of empathy, emphasizing that everyone carries internal battles and insecurities. This awareness liberates us from self-absorption, enabling more authentic and compassionate interactions. Instead of focusing on how we are perceived, our attention shifts to genuine human connections. One fundamental Stoic principle is detachment from the outcome. In seeking friendships, the focus should be on the process, not the result. Stoic individuals concentrate on authenticity and virtue in interactions, reducing the pressure associated with shyness and allowing for a more relaxed and uncomplicated approach. Lack of social opportunities, navigating sparse threads. It's not uncommon for individuals to find themselves in environments where the threads of interaction are sparse, leading to a perceived lack of connection. Stoic philosophy, with its emphasis on virtue, resilience, and practical wisdom, provides a compass to navigate and transcend these circumstances. One suggestion is community volunteering. Stoicism places great importance on contributing to the greater good, and engaging in volunteer work within your community aligns with Stoic virtues. Whether participating in local cleanup initiatives, supporting charitable events, or volunteering at community centers, these activities create shared experiences and opportunities for connection. Another avenue is attending workshops or seminars related to your field of work. This not only enhances your professional skills, but also exposes you to professionals who may share common goals and values. Outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or group exercises provide a relaxed setting for interaction, allowing connections to form organically amidst the beauty of the natural world. Joining forums or groups dedicated to your interests and actively participating in discussions can lead to meaningful connections, transitioning in some cases to in-person meetups. Additionally, practicing Stoic gratitude is essential in appreciating the connections you already have, fostering a positive mindset that attracts new connections. Trust issues. Navigating the intricate dance. In the intricate dance of human connections, the specter of trust issues can cast a shadow over the prospect of forming close friendships. For those walking the Stoic path, understanding when a relationship is built on, trust becomes a nuanced journey of self-awareness and discernment. Embracing the challenges posed by the people you encounter is central to Stoic philosophy. Before extending trust to others, it is essential to reflect on your own values, expectations, and vulnerabilities. Stoics advocate for a deep understanding of oneself to navigate the complexities of human relationships. Take time to introspect, identifying the source of any trust-related apprehensions within yourself. For Stoics, virtue is the guiding light in decision-making. When assessing others, look for qualities such as honesty, integrity, and benevolence as indicators of a trustworthy character. A person aligned with Stoic virtues is more likely to be a reliable companion on your journey. Understand that external circumstances can influence people's actions, and their behavior may not always align with your expectations. By recognizing the limitations of control, you can approach relationships with a Stoic acceptance of the unpredictable nature of human interactions. Equanimity, or maintaining emotional balance, is a cornerstone of Stoicism. Apply this principle to your relationships by avoiding extreme emotional reactions to trust-related challenges. Stoics believe that emotional resilience allows for more rational and considerate decision-making, fostering healthier connections. Stoicism encourages honest and direct communication. If trust issues arise, address them openly with the individuals involved. By fostering transparent communication, you align your actions with Stoic values and create an environment conducive to genuine connections. Lack of social skills, acceptance, and incremental progress. As Marcus Aurelius said, accept the things to which fate binds you and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Before delving into the realm of social interactions, embrace yourself wholly. Understand that everyone, regardless of their social prowess, possesses intrinsic value. This Stoic foundation sets the stage for genuine connections free from the shackles of self-doubt. Stoics emphasize gradual progress in all aspects of life. Apply this principle to the development of social skills. Instead of overwhelming yourself with large social gatherings, incrementally expose yourself to different settings. This allows you to build confidence at your own pace, aligning with Stoic notions of measured growth. Marcus Aurelius's words highlight the importance of loving those fate brings into your life. Approach social interactions with virtue as your compass. Focus on qualities like kindness, empathy, and understanding. By infusing your interactions with Stoic virtues, you not only enhance your own character, but also contribute positively to the social dynamic. Ask questions, show interest in others' perspectives, and foster an environment of open dialogue. Genuine curiosity enriches your understanding of others and paves the way for authentic connections. Practice positive affirmations aligned with Stoic principles. Focus on your strengths, acknowledge your worth, and approach social situations with a mindset rooted in self-assuredness. If faced with rejection or awkward moments, approach them with Stoic grace. Understand that external events are beyond your control, but your response is within your grasp. Changing circumstances. Embracing life's ebb and flow. Relationships, like tides, undergo shifts during life transitions. It's essential to recognize that the dynamics of friendships may evolve. Embrace this understanding stoically, appreciating that change is an inherent part of the human experience. Stoicism emphasizes the concept of healthy detachment. As circumstances shift, friendships may naturally loosen. Recognize that this detachment is not a reflection of personal failure or inadequacy. Instead, view it through the lens of Stoic wisdom, understanding that external events are beyond your control, including the intricate dance of relationships. Life changes often entail stepping into unfamiliar environments. Stoicism prompts us to seek community in these new settings. Attend local events, Join clubs or groups aligned with your interests, and be proactive in integrating yourself into your new surroundings. By doing so, you not only expand your social circle but also foster a sense of belonging. Life transitions are opportune moments for mindful reflection. Stoicism encourages introspection during times of change. Reflect on your values, aspirations, and the kind of relationships you seek. Use this reflective practice to guide your social choices as you navigate the uncharted waters of transition. Shifting priorities. Virtuous adaptation. Stoicism encourages us to view life as a dynamic tapestry where priorities shift and evolve. As career ambitions soar or familial responsibilities take center stage, it's crucial to recognize the fluidity of priorities. This acknowledgement forms the foundation of a Stoic approach to life's changing landscapes. During times of intense career focus or heightened family commitments, accept these seasons stoically. Understand that the ebb and flow of life's demands impact not only your schedule, but also the nature of your social interactions. In the face of shifting priorities, Stoicism emphasizes virtuous adaptation. As career or family commitments intensify, strive to infuse these endeavors with Stoic virtues such as wisdom, courage, and justice. The Stoic ideal is to pursue excellence in every facet of life, including professional and familial spheres. Stoicism places a premium on the quality of relationships over their quantity. When priorities shift and time becomes a precious commodity, focus on nurturing a few meaningful connections rather than spreading yourself thin. Stoics value deep, authentic friendships, considering them essential for a flourishing life. Mental well-being, a Stoic compass. Our mental well-being plays a pivotal role in shaping our relationships. Stoic philosophy, with its profound insights, offers a compass for those grappling with mental health challenges that may hinder the formation of friendships. Stoicism emphasizes the interconnectedness of the mind and body, understanding that this holistic perspective is foundational to addressing mental health concerns. Stoics recognize that a healthy mind contributes to a flourishing life, including the capacity to form and nurture friendships. When facing conditions like anxiety or depression, Stoics advocate developing resilience through philosophical practices. Cultivating an inner strength enables individuals to navigate the ebb and flow of emotions, fostering a stable foundation for both personal well-being and social connections. Mindfulness and meditation are integral to Stoic practices. Incorporating these into daily life aids in managing mental health. By practicing present moment awareness, individuals can confront and overcome negative thought patterns, allowing them to engage more authentically in social interactions. Stoicism champions tranquility as an ultimate goal. Individuals navigating mental health challenges can find solace in Stoic principles that prioritize inner peace. By embracing Stoic virtues, individuals forge a path to tranquility, creating a conducive environment for cultivating and sustaining meaningful friendships. Lifestyle choices. Navigating the rhythm of modern life. In the bustling rhythm of modern life, a lack of friendships can sometimes be traced back to lifestyle choices. Whether it's a hectic schedule or a preference for solitary activities, Stoicism provides valuable insights on how to navigate these choices while fostering meaningful connections. While a demanding schedule might limit social interactions, Stoics encourage individuals to scrutinize their priorities. Are these commitments aligned with our core values and the pursuit of meaningful connections? Stoic self-reflection helps in discerning between necessary engagements and those that hinder social well-being. In the context of a busy lifestyle, deliberately carving out time for social engagement is essential. Stoics recognize the importance of balance. While responsibilities are essential, so too are meaningful connections. By intentionally setting aside moments for social interactions, individuals can transcend the constraints of a hectic schedule and prioritize relationships based on virtue rather than mere convenience. Efficient time management is a Stoic virtue. Applying this principle allows individuals to optimize their schedules for both productivity and social interactions. Stoic time management involves prioritizing activities that contribute to personal and social flourishing, aligning daily choices with the goal of a well-balanced and fulfilling life. Differences and interests. Embracing diversity. Differences in interests can sometimes weave a pattern of isolation, contributing to a lack of friendships. Stoicism provides a guiding light on how to bridge these gaps and foster meaningful connections. Stoicism encourages individuals to accept the inherent diversity of human interests, viewing differences not as barriers, but as opportunities for growth. Rather than viewing differences as barriers, Stoics see them as opportunities for growth. Embracing the Stoic principle of accepting what is beyond our control, individuals can find tranquility in understanding that not everyone shares the same interests, and that's perfectly natural. Stoics advocate for adaptability in the face of life's challenges. In the context of diverse interests, this means cultivating a mindset that appreciates novelty and welcomes the opportunity to explore new passions. Stoic adaptability encourages individuals to step out of their comfort zones, fostering personal growth and expanding the scope of potential friendships. While interests may differ, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what unites us as human beings. Shared values, emotions, and fundamental experiences form the common ground upon which genuine connections can be built. By emphasizing the universal aspects of the human experience, Stoicism guides individuals toward forming connections that transcend specific interests. When faced with differing interests, approaching others with genuine curiosity becomes a bridge-building tool. By seeking to understand and appreciate the passions of those around us, we not only expand our own horizons but also lay the groundwork for authentic connections. The Stoic friendship triad comprises goodwill, shared values, and mutual understanding. When interests diverge, Stoicism suggests fortifying these foundational elements by nurturing goodwill, finding common ground in values, and fostering understanding. Individuals can overcome the barriers posed by differing interests by cultivating lasting and meaningful connections through acceptance, adaptability, curiosity, and the pursuit of virtue. These become the loom and thread for weaving connections that transcend the limitations of individual interests.